Hi, my beautiful friends. I'm Leora, and I'm going to just chuck it into the garbage. Okay. Hey, my beautiful friends. It's Saturday night, and usually I'm not publishing a video on Saturday night. My next one is supposed to be published tomorrow, but I have been breaking my head about something, and we need to talk. So stay tuned. So the last 2 days have been crazy. My inbox has been swamped by so many people who have turned to me, and it was amazing. I had no idea that anything like this is even possible. So first of all, thank you for all the responses, for all the love, for all the support, and yeah, also for people who just turn to me and say, please do a tutorial on this and whatever, all these things. Amazing. I love it. A lot of you have turned to me and said, please, please, please do tutorials on how you wrap your headscarf. So here's the deal. This has never been a part of my channel or even of something that I consider making a tutorial about so far. Though I want to give you, of course, what you want to see, if there are enough people who want to see it. So in the last 2 days that all of this has been happening, I've been breaking my head how to make this possible without changing the original setup of my channel. And here's what I came up with. And I want you to please tell me if you think that's a good idea, if you like it, if I want you to comment in the comment section or like or whatever, to let me know if this is something that we can work with, okay? So here's the deal. I don't think that a tutorial on my headscarf would really be that special because I tell you why, because I don't have like 10 ways of doing it. I start and then I just go with the flow, and every time it turns out differently. So that's why I cannot say, today I'm doing the tutorial of the queen style, or today I'm doing the tutorial of the whatever style. I would like to, though, make a get ready with me in headscarves. And I would like to do it the following way. Every Tuesday, I'm uploading my Leora's Latest Looks segment, which is anyway more in the direction of fashion. So when I'm filming the intro for that slideshow of Leora's Latest Looks, I would like to go on camera with just the basic volumizer that I'm wearing underneath on, and then just show you what I'm doing, explain what I'm doing, not like a huge long thing, but show you what I'm doing, and then go into the slideshow and show you my latest looks. So that's what I've cooked up. And if you like that idea, let me know. If you don't like that idea, let me know. And in any case, you might want to subscribe to my channel. That would really, really, really great. And if not, then not. But I really appreciate the support, and I really, again, I've been so happy and in the clouds over these last days. The response to something that I consider so normal and like it's just unbelievable. It blows my mind, and I'm so happy about it, and I just can't tell you how thankful I am. So so that's why I'm gonna try to do this for you if there is enough demand, and maybe not start this coming Tuesday already, because that is, I think, a little bit too short. I want to give you some time to respond and me to read the comments. So maybe then the week after, I would of course let you know. for whoever is interested. But I just want to let you know that I'm thinking about your requests and I'm trying to make it possible. And but I'm also trying to find the best way to make it possible. All right, so that's it. Tomorrow my next video will come up, which will be a very emotional, super emotional video, and where I'm telling stuff. Well, I'm not gonna take it away now. You just might want to see it. Okay, so just watch it tomorrow night. All right, so this is it, and be in touch. Let me know, and up until next time, hugs and kisses. Bye.